In this video, I'll show you how to make AI videos with ChatGPT and Descript. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So last week Descript launched more or less a way to make videos from scratch with AI doing pretty much all the work. So you kind of tell ChatGPT what you want, or you can just put in a script and all that, and then it's going to do all the magic, and then you set it up in Descript so that you can edit or add any other videos or visuals that you want. So this is what is being called Descript GPT, and in ChatGPT you'll find GPTs like for Canva, in video, and other things that you can find there. So you'll need two things. Obviously you'll need a ChatGPT account. This is going to be important. It's free. And then you'll need a Descript account. It's also free. If you look at the pricing, I'm talking about the free option here. Should be somewhere here. Here there's a free option here, and you can compare all the features so that you can see what do you have on the free. 1 hour transcription minutes, 25 languages. It can detect all the speakers. If you scroll down, you can see projects unlimited, dynamic captions unlimited. You can see all the basics things that you can do. Text to speech minutes 5, regenerate uses, and you can see what limitations you're actually going to get when you're on the free. If you like what you see with Descript GPT, or more or less making AI videos with ChatGPT and Descript, then you can make a purchase. So I'm going now to go to let's say we go to ChatGPT, because we already have an account with ChatGPT and Descript, and from here you can explore to find the GPTs. But let me begin by kind of looking for a script. So I'm just going to go, just tell ChatGPT what are the best places to visit in Kenya. So it's kind of going to give you two responses based on what you kind of would like to see, and it's going to keep populating based on all these things. So let's just scroll down. You can see a ton of things right here. It's still generating. So depending on what you kind of want, you can say, for example, let's say we go with response. I prefer this response. Can you write a script for the best places mentioned above? Okay, there we go. It goes into more or less the canvas mode or script mode. So you'll see the way it's going to kind of go into this and give you what you need: the opening shot, what the narrator is going to be saying, different types of options that are there. So it's pretty slick to see this right inside ChatGPT, and you can use it and tweak it to your liking, especially if you feel some of the things are not correct. But this is for just for demonstration purposes of what you can do. And to me, everything looks okay. It looks good. And then the outro, the narrator, and all that, it's almost done. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure. So our script is ready, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it, and once I copy it, I'm going to come right inside here and paste it in Google Docs. And the reason for this is because I kind of just want to remove some of these things here, like the narrator. Let me see. We can just remove this because it's just more or less descriptive. Let's say we remove this and the narrator, because you already know what is going on, and then we can just continue with the same thing until we actually satisfied with what we have as for our script. So I kind of feel that this looks good. I'll not remove anything else. So now what we want to do is use the GPT by Descript. So I can click on Explore GPTs, and the feature this week, Descript is among them. And if you cannot find it here, you can just search for it, Descript, and you'll see that it has about 400k plus. So this is really good, that now the AI video maker by Descript is right inside here. So turn your ideas into videos with the AI video maker by Descript. So I'll just click on this, and what is going to happen is going to give me a couple of options. So you'll see what it does. So turn your ideas into videos with the AI video maker by Descript, a powerful text-to-speech video generator and video editor in one. Simply describe the video you want to make, and our AI will generate a draft script and visual tailored to your needs in minutes. No editing experience required. So it has a 3.9 rating, productivity of 400k conversations. So have actually been done. Conversation starters: turn the script into a video. For me, make a video to teach me about Newton's law of whatever. Create a video about pairing snacks for movie nights. And the capabilities, I can do DALL-E images, web search actions, retrieves or takes actions outside GPT. So you can scroll down and see. Okay, so it has 5 ratings, most of it. So I'll just click on Start Chat, and from here you'll see it right here. You can click on this drop down and say keep in sidebar, like this, keep in sidebar. So it's right there. And now, because we already created our script initially, I'm just going to go to my Google Doc document, Control C, and then right inside here I'm just going to message AI video maker by Descript, Control V, and then just click on turn this script into a video. Okay, for some strange reason it did not get that, but let's just Control V again. Let's play this. So your script is great, it's engaging, informative, and has a strong call to action. Now let's choose a visual style for the video. Here for options: watercolor and ink. I wish there were more videos to work with. Whiteboard doodles. So low polygon, a modern geometric style for sleek and unique look. Plasticine, acclimation like effect that adds playful and tactile feel. So which style do you think best fits your Kenya travel video? I'll just go with like whiteboard doodles works for me. And great choice. Doodles will give you a video an engaging and dynamic feel, making it fun and easy to follow. Let me generate a preview image. So we've got this image looking really good. So more if you're doing animated type of videos, then this might work really well. Here's a preview of your videos whiteboard doodle style. It captures the essence of a Kenyan safari with a hand-drawn minimalistic look. If you're happy with this style, I'll generate the full video for you. Let me know if you'd like any changes before we move forward. So I'll not change anything. This looks like more or less like Mount Kilimanjaro, elephants, giraffes, zebras, a tour van, a Maasai, and all that. So everything looks good. Let's move forward with the video. So let's see what we get here. Starting the action to kind of convert now our script into a video. So let's see what we actually get. This particular section may take a couple of minutes to kind of generate, so you may need to bear with this a little bit. So AI video maker by Descript wants you to talk to API confirm. So I've also reached my kind of limit, but that's the free version. But it's going to generate, because your video is being generated. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to finish. You can check it out and make any final edits in Descript before exporting. Here's your video, top 10 places to visit in Kenya. And if you click on this, it opens up Descript. Remember when I told you need a Descript account? It's where it's going to actually work. You can tweak the script, preview, or change the AI voice and adjust visuals if needed. Let me know if you need any help. Let me just click on this, and it's going to open up Descript, the web version. And let's see what type of video we're going to get for the top 10 places to visit in Kenya. So it's opening a project. There we go. And now it's generating the video. So generating video. Give us 2 to 3 minutes to create a great fast draft for you. Then use Descript's text-based editing and design tools to make it sound and look exactly like you want. So this is the first, or more or less. Now once you go into Descript, you just let it do the magic. Add the scenes, add the AI voiceovers to your particular project, and it's already done. And I can play this.
Welcome to Kenya, a land of breathtaking landscapes.
Seems like it's still working. Okay, 3 remaining. Let's wait and see, because I'm almost sure we should have some images right here. Generating AI speech completed. Is there any other task remaining? All completed. So
welcome to Kenya, a land of breathtaking landscapes, incredible wildlife.
Just a quick one. I'm not sure why the images don't show. We should have some images here. I think it's because I reached my limit right there. So that could be the issue, but you get the drill. I'll show you another video I did right here. Kinda how it works. And this is what it looks like.
Hey there, savvy shoppers. Are you tired of paying full price or spending hours hunting for deals online?
So that's what happened with a video I made as a sample. Super simple, super easy. Not sure what happened with the images here. Could be, let me see, unexpected error. So could be there's some issue right about there. Yeah, could be more or less some issue that happened along the way, and that is why it was not possible for this particular version to work. But using ChatGPT and Descript, you can easily make AI videos super simple. I think my limitation is because I'm using the free version of ChatGPT for demonstration purposes, and more or less also the Descript version that I have is a free version. Don't ask me about the hours, but that is how you can easily make AI videos using Descript and ChatGPT. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.